Me dehena sambandha. I have no contact, no relationship with my body. I am pure conscious. So you and I cannot now say, Name bandha. It's only another 10 minutes. You will find standing there with Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. Why? There. But I, as the pure self, one who has realized there, that great saint, the sage, the prophet, the master can say that I have no contact and relationship with the body. Name sambandha. Dehe. With the body, I have no contact, no relationship. They're just as the body of my dream. In the dream, when I was dreaming, I dreamt that I am a leper. But when I wake up, I have no contact with that body. Thus, I have been woken up to the higher state of consciousness. Na me dehe na sambandho. But is not the body there? Yes. The body is there, but I have no sambandha. Just as meghe neva vihaya saha. Just as megha, the clouds. The clouds are in the sky, but the sky is not in any sense of the term contacting or has any relationship with the clouds. Clouds come and clouds go. Akash or space, the sky, allows it to remain. But the sky is not affected by it. Similarly, the body remains in me. Yes, maybe it is there for some time and then it disappears. When it disappears, nothing is lost to the sky when the cloud is gone. When the cloud has come, the sky is not gaining anything. Similarly, the body may remain. Body may go. I, the pure consciousness, no relationship with it, because I have no relationship with the body. Ataha, therefore, kuta, where can there be me tad dharma? How can I have all the dharmas of the body? Dharmas of the body meaning Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptaya. These are all dharmas of the body and the mind. When the mind is functioning, when I am functioning with the gross body, I am the waker. When I am functioning with the subtle body, I am the dreamer. In the causal body, I am the deep sleeper. But these bodies are not with me. That pure consciousness. What has it got its dharmas? As a waker, I must do this. As a dreamer, I must be in this way, and the deep sleeper. These three states are meant for the ego. One who has identified with the body, mind, and intellect. When I have transcended the ego and awakened to the pure state of consciousness, I have no relationship with the body. And therefore, how can there be any dharma? Dharma? The nature. My nature is unlike the waker, dreamer, deep sleeper. The waker in his waking contacts with others must have raga-dvesha. I like, I dislike. I have desires, I have passions. I cannot have. They are all belonging to the body. I have nothing to do with the body. The body is allowed to remain in me as the akasha, space allows clouds to come and play about. Whether the clouds are there or gone, it is immaterial as far as the space is concerned. Space is untouched by it. Similarly, I am untouched by the body that exists or disappears.